Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we're going to be doing this eye look on the Roxi Roxsaurus Ride or Die eyeshadow palette. So we are starting off with the P. Louise base, and that is in the shade 0.5, and I'm just patting that onto my eyes. So then I'm going in with that first shade, which is Cookie, and I'm just putting that in my crease. It was a lot darker than I thought it would be, but it managed to blend out really nicely. I'm just doing some more blending here. You get the impression. Blend, blend, blend. So then this is just a image of both of the eyes done. Then I next went into the shade Pumpkin, which is a stereotypical name for an orange shade, very original. And then I just blended that again in the crease. It does look a little bit messy at this point, but everything will come together. And I'm just showing you some more blending. Obviously I was blending for a lot longer than what was actually, well, what I filmed, but yeah, I just wanted to show you. And this is with both eyes. I also went back into Cookie just to make the blend a little bit seamless between the two. Going back into the P. Louise, I am cutting my crease, just tidies it up a little bit. And then what I did was I put it on the bottom of my eye and then looked up, and then that gave me the perfect place of where to cut the crease. So then I'm just doing some more pat pat patting, which is what P. Louise says to do with this. Pat pat pat. And here's a little dance. Next I went into the shade Draco, which I hope is a Harry Potter reference because I love Slytherin and everything like Slytherin related. So all the brushes I used today were from Makeup Addiction Cosmetics, bar this one, which is from Makeup Geek, and this is normally the brush that I would use for like shimmer shades. I think it's called the foil eyeshadow brush, but I just decided to use it on this shade just to pack it on with. And then I took a clean Makeup Addiction brush and then just blended the edges really, just to make it look a bit more seamless and blended and not as harsh. So I did have a lot of fallout at this point. That's what the little face was for. So this is actually a Spectrum brush that I'm just wiping away any excess with. Next shade is Cola, and I'm just putting that in like a little V kind of shape on my outer crease. And this again looks really messy, but then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a clean brush and just keep blending, and then it'll look really blended, I suppose. And here's some more blending for you. Oh, little dance, little dance. Next shade is Inspire, because obviously I can't do a look without doing any pink. And I'm just putting that on the lower lash line. So then I just went and put some mascara on my lower lash line, which is by AOA Studio, and then as usual my Primark Kohl liner. So my lashes are looking a bit pathetic at the moment, so I went in with these Peaches and Cream lashes. They are in the shade number 9, and falselashes.co.uk did send them to me. It's not sponsored, this video. I'm just telling you that I got them, so we'll link where you can get them in the description. I had an absolute mare putting these on because I'm absolutely crap at putting lashes on. So I had so much footage of this, so yeah, it's not the best. But I eventually got them on, so it was fine. And then I was so happy that I'd got them on. Yay! Dance time. Then I went into Honey, which is that really nice yellow shade, and I just wanted to do something a little bit different and put that in the inner corner just to make everything nice and bright. This makeup addiction brush is awesome, by the way. It's so tiny, it's so precise. Then I went into the shade Iconic, which is like a kind of, it's got like a bit of a yellow reflect to it, and I just put that on the brow bone. And then I'm going in with another Makeup Addiction Duo Fibre brush. This is a highlight brush, and the AOA Studio Power Lighter in the shade Astro, and I'm just showing that you only need the tiniest bit of this and it gives such a blinding highlight. These are so good, these highlighters. Like bam! And then this is the completed look. I was really happy with how everything turned out because it did look really messy, and I just wanted to do something a little bit different that wasn't, you know, your typical warm neutral look. So I hope you liked this tutorial, because a few people have been asking for them, seeing as I didn't do one in my last video, and here's a little happy dance because we're finished. So I'll see you again shortly. Bye!